Alright, so I am gluing the head onto the bear's body now, and this is the last major gluing of this piece. And right now we're in a glue booth. It's about 110 degrees, and that's the best temperature for the glue to cure at and the fastest. So you're going to watch me put the head on the body after I put the glue on. So enjoy. So right now I'm putting the glue in the dropper. You can tell it's a little thicker than water, so that's always good. And since the bear is not flat at the neck, I'm actually going to start at the highest part. And I want glue to fill in all of those areas. So you want the surface area entirely covered with glue before we put this on. So you'll be seeing me just scrape that around a lot. So I'm going to add more glue there. And if the slope changes, I can always tilt the bear, so that's always nice. We'll see how that goes. And we're trying very hard not to leak it over the side, but I'll be wiping this for a few hours, so it's okay. So I'm getting a little bit more aggressive now. A little more glue. You always mix extra. It's always much better to have too much than too little, especially with the glue this big that I'm doing. And if you look, you see us in the mirror over there. That helps me see the back of the bear. It's actually been one of the smartest things I ever did in my studio, was put a mirror there. And you'll also see little lines. Those little lines are meant to catch the glue. So they're little channels in this big flat part of the bear's neck, and they're pretty much all filled in. So I can tell I'm gonna have a lot of glue spooling there. That's fine. I'm just gonna push it all up before I put the bear on the head. It's gonna be a real bear, isn't it? Alright, so here's our bear. I think he's going to be really happy, so I'm going to start with this back part because that's where the most of the glue is, and I want to push it forward. I'll slowly slide that into place. You can always tell when it's in place and just watch all that. Isn't that great? That's my best part, is watching the glue fill the crack. So you'll see it's going to come over the edges, and I'll pretty much spend the next few hours dabbing away glue, which is fine, I don't mind. And I'll add the smaller bits that go in here as we get enough glue in those cracks from the bear. And they are on the table over there. Can you see the back? Oh, shit. Meow. 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 So lucky, there's the mirror back there that showed me that it said leak down pretty far. And you can see the little bit right there. So this will be the fun the next few hours. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing this. It's going to be at the gallery soon. Thanks.